Hello grade 7 and welcome to our 6th math session with the same lesson which is powers. Before we start, let's recall the 5 rules we have taken till now. Two numbers having multiplied with each other having same exponent, we can distribute the exponent over multiplication and division. And if I have two numbers which are multiplied by each other, we keep the same base and we add the exponent. If I have a number having two powers with a parenthesis, we multiply the exponents. And if I have two powers divided by each other having same base, we keep the base and subtract the exponents. Let's match 16. We said that 16 it's 4 squared, and if we write instead of 4 2 squared, so then it will be 2 to the power 4, 900. It's 30 times 30, which is 30 squared. 5 times 36, we can decompose 36 to give me 2 squared times 3 squared. So this one will be equal to 5 times 2 squared times 3 squared. The last one, which is 55 squared. 55, it's 5 times 11, then it will be 5 squared times 11 squared. Okay, writing numbers as a powers, similarly to the previous session. 8, you can use the tree method, or you can see that 8 is 4 times 2, which is 2 squared times 2. Instead of 4, I wrote 2 squared to give same base, you add the exponent, so it will be 2 cubed. 125, you can divide it by 5 to give me 5 times 25, and the 25 it's 5 squared, same base, you add the exponent to give me 5 cubed, and you can use the tree method. 10,000, directly we can write 10 to the power 5 because it has 5 zeros. Sorry, it has 4 zeros, so we write 10 to the power 4, it's 10,000. Okay, also we want to write these numbers as if in the form of a power. 49, it's 7 times 7, which is 7 squared. 27, you can use the tree method, which is 3 times 9, and instead of 9 you can write 3 squared, so it's 3 times 3 squared to give me 3 cubed. 1000, directly we can write 10 cubed because we have 3 zeros. The last one, which is 16, and if you notice that 16 is a very common power, we use it a lot. So it's 4 times 4. We have many ways to write 16 as a power of 2. Okay, so 4 we can write instead of 4, it's 2 squared, so it will be 2 to the power 4. Okay, now we are ready to correct the homework, starting with the problem 3, page 20. Without computing the powers, justify each of the following equalities. Equalities mean equal. Why are these two powers equal to each other, but without computing them? Let's watch the video.
Okay, start solving this problem. Why this one is equal to this one? Okay, using the explanation, we have to work on one of them to reach the other. If you notice that the base here is 2, I can't work on 2, but the base here is 4. I can work on 4. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay? So I'm going to choose this one and work on it. So 4 squared, look at the base is 4, so is equal, instead of 4 I can write 2 squared, and this one I will keep it outside, which is 2. I will repeat, 4 is equal to 2 squared, and the 2 outside I keep it outside. Here I have parentheses, so I multiply the exponents to get 2 to the power 4, this one. So it is very verified. Here I have 16 as a base, and here I have 4. I work on the bigger base. Okay, it's easier to work. So taking 16 cubed, okay, equal. Leave cubed, the exponent 3 outside. Open parenthesis. 16 is equal to 4 times 4, which is equal to what? 4 squared. So instead of 16, I can put 4 squared. Now I have parentheses, multiply the exponents to give me 4 to the power 6, which is this one. So it's verified. Okay, these are two equal powers, but they are different in shape. Okay, the third one. Miss, how can I know if I want to work on this one or this one? If you take 3 to the power 6, you can't work on 3. Okay, if you start with 9, take 9 cubed. 9 is equal to what? It's 3 times 3. So instead of 9, I can write 3 squared. طيب, where can I put this exponent? Keep it outside. Okay, keep it outside. If you don't write a parenthesis, you will get this form. You can't write it in this way, so I put the parenthesis. And if I have parentheses, I multiply the exponents to give me 3 to the power 6. So 9 cubed is equal to 3 to the power 6. Verified. It's true. The last one, which is 25 to the power 4 equal 5 to the power 8? If I take 25 as a base, I can work on it. While if I take 5, I can't decompose 5. So taking the bigger base, which is 25 to the power 4, 25 is equal to 5 times 5, which is equal to 5 squared. And keep the exponent, which is 4, outside. So multiplying the exponents to give me 5 to the power 8, which is equal to this one. Okay? So it's verified. It's true. Okay, now with the problem number 6, page 20. Write each of the following numbers as a power of 2. I have to decompose it to write it as a power of 2. Pay attention, power of 2, it means base 2. Let's watch the video. Okay, let's start with the first one. 4, it's 2 times 2. So writing it as a power, it's 2 squared. Okay, its base is 2. I'm done. 8, it's 2 times 4. You can make a tree method. Okay, tree method. 8, it's 2 times 4, and 4, it's 2 times 2. So 8 is equal to how many 2? 3. So it's direct, you can write 2 cubed. Okay, 16, it's 4 times 4. You can make a tree method, or you can use this way, which is equal to 2 squared, the first 4, times second 4 is also 2 squared. Now you have same base, you add the exponents to get 2 to the power 4. You have many ways to write 16 as a power of 2. You can use the tree method, or this way, or you can write it as 4 squared as the explanation. 4 cubed, instead of 4, I can write 2 squared, because 4 is equal to 2 squared. This is the 4, okay? I write instead of 4, 2 squared. Where I put exponent 3, I put it outside. So the answer will be 2 to the power 6. Okay, now 8 squared. How can I write 8 as a power? You can decompose it here 2 times 4, or you can write it here 8. It's 2 times 4, and 4 it's 2 times 2, so 8 it's 2 cubed. So instead of 8, we can write 2 cubed. and we still have this exponent, this one, we put it outside, which is 2. Now you multiply the exponents to get 2 to the power 6. Okay, now we have 16. First, let me decompose 16. You can use the tree method. 16 is equal to 4 times 4. And here we have 2 times 2. And here we have 2 times 2. So 16, I can write it as 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 2 to the power 4. But I still have this exponent. So writing it here and multiply the exponents to give me 2 to the power 16, and now I'm done. Thank you for watching.
And this is the end of session 6. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.